During the early 7th century, following the death of Prophet Muhammad, the Arabian Peninsula was plunged into turmoil. This period, known as the Wars of Apostasy or Ridda Wars, involved a series of military campaigns launched by the first Caliph, Abu Bakr, to subdue various tribes who had renounced Islam after the Prophet's death. The key issue was not merely religious defection but also political rebellion, as many tribes believed their allegiance had been solely to Muhammad and saw no reason to remain loyal to the new Islamic State. These tribes refused to pay zakat, a form of almsgiving and religious tax, and declared their independence, which posed a threat to the nascent Islamic State. Abu Bakr, both a statesman and a warrior, understood that the unity of the Islamic community, Ummah, was at stake. He acted decisively by sending out an array of skilled commanders and armies to bring the rebellious tribes back into the fold. Khalid ibn al-Walid, known as the Sword of Allah, emerged as a pivotal figure during these conflicts. He led campaigns in Central Arabia, defeating some of the most formidable tribal coalitions. One of Khalid's significant victories was against the Banu Hanifa tribe, led by Musaylima, a self-proclaimed prophet. The climactic battle of Yamama saw fierce fighting and heavy casualties, but ultimately resulted in a decisive victory for the Caliphate. Another important front was in the region of Bahrain, where rebellion was swiftly quelled by another of Abu Bakr's generals, al-Walid ibn Hadrami. The success of these campaigns reaffirmed the strength and unity of the Islamic State, bringing the tribes back under the banner of Islam and solidifying Abu Bakr's leadership. The wars had several long-lasting effects. They helped to unify the Arabian Peninsula, establish the authority of the Caliphate, and reinforce the idea that Islam was not merely a spiritual creed, but also a political entity to which allegiance was due. Thus, the Wars of Apostasy were crucial in shaping the early Islamic State's internal stability and future expansion.